Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mind Maze, where we explore natural remedies and wellness tips to help you feel your best. Today, we're talking about a natural powerhouse that's been used for centuries: castor oil. From ancient Egypt to modern-day wellness routines, castor oil has earned its place as a go-to remedy for a wide range of health and beauty needs. Stay till the end to learn what type of castor oil you should be looking for. So, what makes it so special? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what castor oil actually is. Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, this thick, nutrient-rich oil is packed with fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which gives it its unique health benefits. Here's how it can benefit your body. Benefit number 1. It promotes healthy hair and scalp. Castor oil is a natural conditioner that moisturizes your hair and scalp, preventing dryness and flakiness. Its antifungal properties also help fight dandruff. Plus, it's believed to stimulate hair growth when applied to the scalp regularly. For a DIY hair mask, mix castor oil with coconut oil, massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for about an hour before washing it out. Your hair will thank you. Next up, glowing, hydrated skin. Castor oil is a great natural moisturizer, especially for dry or sensitive skin. It helps lock in moisture and can even reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Some people also use it to soothe skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Pro tip: mix a few drops of castor oil with your favorite lotion or use it as a spot treatment on dry patches. Did you know castor oil is also great for digestive health? When rubbed over the abdomen, castor oil is believed to help relieve constipation and support liver detoxification. Some people also take it orally as a natural laxative, but always consult a doctor before doing so, as it's very potent. Castor oil also works wonders for joint and muscle pain. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, massaging castor oil into sore muscles or achy joints can provide relief. It's especially helpful for people with arthritis or those recovering from a tough workout. So, let's recap the amazing benefits of castor oil. Hydrates and nourishes your hair and scalp, moisturizes and rejuvenates your skin, supports digestive health, relieves muscle and joint pain. It's versatile, affordable, and all natural. What's not to love? Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the best types of castor oil to use for maximum benefits. Look for cold-pressed castor oil. This method of extraction preserves the oil's natural nutrients and ensures you're getting the purest form. Organic castor oil is also a great option as it's free from harmful pesticides or additives. If you're using castor oil for skincare or hair care, make sure it's labeled as hexane-free for added safety. So, when shopping for castor oil, check the label for these terms: cold-pressed, organic, and hexane-free. Your body deserves the best, and these options ensure you're getting a high-quality product. Remember, while castor oil is generally safe for most people, always do a patch test before using it on your skin, and talk to a healthcare provider if you're considering it for internal use. Thanks for watching. If you've tried castor oil and seen results, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more natural health tips. See you next time. Discover nature, embrace wellness, stay curious.